And of course, today is Monday. Let's take a quick look at the stock market. And now today we have Head of Research of CIMB Securities Thailand, Kun Kasem Prunratanamala on the line with us. สวัสดีครับ Kun Kasem.
ครับ สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Yes, Kun Kasem, this morning we see a slight improvement in the SET index starting this week amid some form of investor profit taking. Is there a trend of this investment inflow into the SET by foreign investors, the trend coming up from last week up until this week?
Yeah, I think the trend should still likely be positive. I think investors are generally quite positive on the Thai market on the back of improved political situation and also strong corporate earning growth for this year.
Okay.
So I would expect fund flows to continue. However, I think as the market is trying to test 1200 mark and it still couldn't sustain above that level, so there may be some profit taking.
Okay, so are we going to see the 1,200 points within this week once again?
I think it's possible. It's possible. However, whether it can be sustained above that level for long is another matter, because I think Thai market has done very well so far this year. It is one of the best performing stock market around the region. So some investors may be taking profit on the back of high oil prices.
And Kun Kasem, how do you expect the regional stocks to react now amid the news of Iran financial blockade and also a nuclear security summit in Seoul?
I think generally geopolitical risk is still the main concern. I think not just for our market but also for other regional market as well, as I think investors are keeping a close eye on the movement of the oil prices. So, but luckily it's sort of moved down a little bit, so that may give a little bit of relief. However, I think still sustain at quite high level.
And would the energy shares move in any significant directions today, as we are seeing a lot of oil prices, gas prices pushing up the prices of commodities and may as well pressure the inflation?
I don't see any sort of big movement in the energy counters. I think at this level is also not good for the demand as well.
And finally, what are CIMB's forecasts of the major stocks this week and as well into the second quarter?
I think if it probably make another attempt and couldn't sustain above 1200 level, there we probably see profit taking down to below 1180 level.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Kun Kasem, for your share of information.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.